Yeah, I'm checking out the results right now. Yep, he's the champion. He beat John Choi. He was playing as Boxer and DJ, and John Choi was playing with Ryu.
Round 2, fight! 3.
Hung Nugan? I don't know how to say his last name. I don't want to say it wrong. But Hung Nugan, I think is how you say his name. Ooh! Oh, wow! Yeah, it was. He almost lost.
Round 3, fight!
Let's go NY. Let's go NY. Man.
Final!
Oh! 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 And Afro Legends has finally been defeated, man. Good shit, man.